This month's tip is a follow-up to last month's tip about on-demand items and settlement. We're going to cover recurring series items in this video. You can get as creative as you want with recurring series, but this feature works well for anything that you'll be paying, reimbursing, or deducting on a schedule for a period of time. Let's take a look. You can get a recurring series set up in the profile. On the bottom of the tab, click this button to fill out a form. Choose the item that you want to use and the amount each time it's used. Okay, now you're ready to set the schedule. Start with the frequency. Our pay period is weekly, so let's choose that. I'm going to use the 5th as the start date, which is the cutoff date for our next paycheck. Now I want to give it an end date, so I'll select the pay period cutoff date 15 weeks out from my start date. We're given a preview here, and yes, that's the total amount I need to deduct. I'll show you where you can tweak these amounts later. Let's go ahead and create this. You can create these so they're occurring once a month, bi-weekly, weekly, or quarterly. All right, let's see this in action. When we run settlement next for our paycheck on the 11th, with a cutoff date of the 5th, we should see only that first deduction. And here it is. Recurring series items stay put in settlement until they're included on a pay settlement. They're labeled as recurring series in the originated from field. You can see all of the outstanding recurring series items in the profile editor. I like to put a filter on the item or payee name, and then from here you can edit the amounts or dates or reference. And if you need to scrap a recurring series, just right-click on any of the items to see your options. That's it for this month's tips. You can select Help Knowledge Base from the main menu and search for recurring series for more information.